In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Meet virtual background using the updated Change Background feature. Whether you're looking to hide a messy room or simply want to add a bit of fun and personalization to your virtual meetings, here's how you do it. So let's dive right in and explore the steps together. First things first, let's open up Google Meet. To do this, simply type Google Meet into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll find yourself on the Google Meet welcome page. From here, the journey to getting your very own virtual background begins. At the center of this page, you'll see an option labeled New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that option to proceed. Once you've clicked New Meeting, you're going to select Start an Instant Meeting. By doing this, you'll launch a meeting room right away. Now you might notice yourself on camera. Don't worry, this is part of the process to help you set up your background before your call actually starts. Now before we jump into choosing our virtual background, you'll want to click on something called More Options. You'll find this in the bottom right corner of your screen, represented by 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will lead you to a menu where we can customize and choose our virtual backgrounds. In the menu that just opened up, you should see an option labeled Backgrounds and Effects. Click on this and you'll be presented with several choices for your Google Meet background. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of preloaded virtual backgrounds, effects, and even options to blur your background slightly or up to a higher intensity if that suits your taste better. If you're feeling creative and have a specific background image in mind, you can use the Add button to upload your own custom image right from your computer. Just make sure the image is appropriate for the meeting you're joining. Once you've selected your desired background, you'll notice the change instantly. It's dynamic and allows a preview right away, so you can ensure everything looks just right before anyone else joins the meeting. Now that you've set up your virtual background, you are ready to participate in meetings with an added touch of flair or professionalism, and there you have it, a simple way to personalize your video meetings on Google Meet. Whether you're working from home, attending virtual classes, or just catching up with friends, this feature can help you curate the environment you want to present to others. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in bringing a bit more creativity to your virtual meetings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.